Hi Karen, I'm Rob. I was watching your video on the teacup puzzle, and I saw that you only had 3 Eaton puzzles. So I went online to see what other ones they had, and I actually have one. I got it when I was a boy, back in 1982-ish, and this is what it looks like. So this is it. It is called the Frustrator iridescent maze. I don't know how it's a maze, but it shimmers with the light. I had it in storage since I've been a boy. I only have 2 puzzles that I've done that with. This is one of them, and it broke down while in storage or transportation to and from storage. So I've been starting to work on it. I'll probably put it on hold because I do have to get back to my job. But the other one, the one that I'm really happy about, is I found every single piece of my Prismagic. So I am ecstatic about that. This was given to me as a boy when I was 12 in 1982, and I thought I lost pieces to it, but when I reassembled it just now, I found all the pieces. So I am happy, happy, happy. So these were given to me by my sisters to challenge me. They figured that I couldn't do it, but I did. Obviously the Eaton one needs to be redone, but the Prismagic held together fairly well. I want to take a moment to show you the boxes. These have been traveling with me for 40 years, as I mentioned. I estimate about 12 times I've moved, and every time they've gone with me. That's why these are in such ragged condition. And this is the bottom part of the Frustrator, the red luminescent one, and you can see the pieces bled, the dye from the cardboard bled into the bottom. This is the Frustrator, and because I know you look at this, let's see if I can get it. There we go. And then the bottom of the box. This we're not gonna, don't get the glare. Frustrator, iridescent maze. Our designers created the iridescent maze to challenge the skill and patience of the most inept puzzle work. I don't know what's underneath that. This is the part of the wrapping paper that was wrapped around this puzzle when I received it back in 1982. And again, there's your information. It is really a pretty puzzle. I love how it captures light. And one thing about this design is it does give you an orientation, whether it be horizontal or vertical. Okay, I thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed seeing this as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you.